Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake on the stove. First, gather your essential ingredients, including cream cheese, sugar, and graham crackers. Next, prepare your graham cracker crust by pressing it firmly into a springform pan. This provides a stable base for your cheesecake. Remember to chill the crust for at least 30 minutes. This helps prevent it from becoming soggy when the filling is added. A well-chilled crust is key to a perfect stovetop cheesecake. Now, let's create that wonderfully creamy filling. Begin by beating your softened cream cheese until it's completely smooth, ensuring no lumps remain. Gradually incorporate the sugar, followed by the eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Finish by stirring in a good quality vanilla extract. Keeping all your ingredients at room temperature is crucial for achieving a perfectly smooth and uniform cheesecake batter, preventing any curdling or separation. For stovetop cooking, you'll need a large pot with a tight-fitting lid to create a water bath. Carefully place your prepared springform pan, wrapped in foil, onto a trivet inside the pot. Pour hot water into the pot, reaching about 1/2 to 2/3 up the sides of the cheesecake pan. Cover and cook over low heat for approximately 45 to 60 minutes, or until the edges are set but the center still jiggles slightly. Once cooked, remove your cheesecake from the water bath and let it cool completely on a wire rack. This gradual cooling prevents cracks. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, for the best texture and flavor. A well-chilled cheesecake is much easier to slice and serve. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade stovetop cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.